Hi, I'm GZ-HM40 here. Today I'll be doing a review of the JVC HD GZ-HM40 Camcorder, which is in high definition, and I've had this for about maybe a month, 2 months. I decided it's time to do a review on it. And so, let's get started. Well, first of all, with the accessories real quick. I got these component cables with it to hook it up to my TV. But I haven't even opened them yet. Because I don't need them that much, I don't think. And then I got this, which is the charger. It says JVC on it. And then here is the cable to plug into your computer to transfer your movies or your videos onto it. And let's get to the camera. The camera itself is really nice, actually. On the left side we have the JV adjustable strap. The as you can see, it's the dock connector to charge it with. Right in there. And also on the bottom, on the left side, we have. And then also we have the lens switch right here. Now you can see this. It closes off and on. I'm just gonna leave it open right now. And then we got the lens. I'm not sure which one, that says, but I can put that in the description. And then on the front, yeah, we got the speaker right here, and the lens right there, and then the lens close button. And then on the bottom we have the tripod hook right there, and then serial information and stuff, and then the battery release button. And then we also have this little latch right here is room for like a SD card. Then on the back we have the button, the record button, and then the battery. Then on the top we have, it says 40 optical zoom, and then 4 HD. Then we got the slide button right here, the close and the off. We have the auto button right here, and then we have the zoom and the zoom out button, and then we have the volume. So when you're watching a movie, that's volume up and volume down too. And then on this side we have JVC 4HD 1080p 720 1080p 40 times zoom, super something stabilization, whatever that is, and then SD, SCHC, and then that memory card, what it's capable of, can hold. And on the inside, it comes like this, and then it's turning on there. And on the side, we have the menu button right there. I don't know why it's not focusing, but yeah, we got the menu button right there. I don't know if you can see it. HDMI and mini USB port. ports. Then we have AV, I think out or in, and OK, select, then another, then a down or left or right, left or right switch, and then we have an up and left switch, and then we have a play button up there. And there is no buttons on the, it's not a touch screen. I just wanted to clarify that. Not a touch screen. On the menu, it's got the battery indicator, stabilization, time, when you're recording, it shows when you're recording the battery, the date, and all the other little settings you might want to have on there. And like I said, it's a really good camera. I recommend it to anyone that wants a nice camera. So yeah, it looks really good outside. Really. Well, I could put a link in the description of my one test videos of it, and then also it can do this. So you could look at it like this if you're looking at yourself. Hi. And then do it to the side like that. Feels really good in your hand. It's actually kind of small, compared to some of them. The one I did have was it was bigger than this, but it was also a Sony, and it was not HD. It was standard definition. So I wanted a high definition camera for YouTube videos and stuff, and just captures and more stuff in more higher quality. So yeah, I recommend this for anybody that wants a good, nice HD camcorder. I got it for $202, I think, and some cents at local Walmart. You can also get it online. And guess I'll talk to you guys in my later videos. Comment, rate, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye, guys.